Good evening, Northeast Michigan. I'm Tom Murphy with your full weather Sunday forecast. And of course, we've had an absolutely gorgeous sunny week. And as we look right now, today we had a high pressure system, which actually led to some record challenging warmth. And we're going to show you just how challenging it got. Right now, when we look at today's daily almanac, you can see 83 degrees. You see that little uppercase R right there next to that 83. That means we tied a record. We didn't beat the record, but we tied it, and that's pretty good. 83, obviously 24 degrees higher than what the normal temperature is around this time of year. And as you can see, 1949 was when our previous record was, so over 60 years since it's been the temperature that it was today. Obviously now, as we look at our cloud coverage, I'm going to try not to stand in the way of the cloud coverage. You can see, I mean, it really wouldn't matter if I was standing in the way of it because there's nothing going on right there. We got just clear skies all over the place, and that's why it's been so sunny, because all the clouds down here, Indiana, Illinois, they're not making it up to Michigan right now. So it's actually a pretty good thing. Now, as we look ahead to our high temperatures, 81 degrees in Alpena. That's obviously pretty hot when you consider it's mid-October. I mean, I think that's what it was on the calendar today. But if we look around the rest of the area, most of them in the mid to high 70s, but for the most part, you can see us 81, and then over here, Traverse City 83, Cadillac 81. So as you get further west, it seems to get a little warmer, but for the most part, everybody's around those mid 70s to low 80s. Current conditions right now, you can see 54 degrees in Alpena and a pretty calm wind, so not really much worth going on right now to really talk about, but that's kind of a good thing the way I look at it. Current temperatures, 54 was what we just said as far as Alpena is concerned, but 56 Lawrence Taylor right here, Harrisville, 55 in Oscoda, and 57 in Tawas City. So pretty consistent in the mid-50s right now, which again, I mean, what more could you ask for? It's October 9th, I think. Next 24 hours, we wrote breakfast, lunch, and dinner because we're always hungry here at Channel 11. We just want to eat. And really, of course, we're just being stupid and being silly about it. It really means morning, afternoon, and evening. And as you can see, it's going to be mostly sunny during the day, and it might get a little cloudier as the day rolls along. But for the most part, it should be a pretty nice way to start the work week. As we move forward now to my favorite part of the broadcast, we're calling this the Tiger Track. And you're probably saying, well, why is there a dot on Arlington, Texas right now? Well, if you're a baseball fan, Game 2 of the ALCS today was rained out. Jeff Schaefer's going to have a lot more on that in sports in just a few minutes. But we figured, let's give you a quick forecast for tomorrow's game. And right now, you can see it looks like it's going to be pretty sunny. And they should definitely be able to get that Game 2 in over at the ballpark in Arlington. And as always, go Tigers. So moving ahead now back to Michigan. We were in Texas for a little bit, but we're traveling back to Michigan. Tonight's temperatures, 47 in Alpena, 48 in Harrisville, 49 in Oscoda, and for the most part pretty calm and clear with a little patchy fog for the most part. But that is what we're looking at. And then I lied when I said that my Tiger thing was our favorite. This is by far my favorite. Happy Columbus Day, everybody. 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. We got a little Nina Minta Santa Maria, whatever it is, out there in Lake Huron, and he is just maybe looking for some uncharted territory. And as you can see, in the charted territories, Alpena is expected to be about 70 degrees, 73 in Harrisville, and should be a pretty gorgeous Monday. Tomorrow night, obviously, it's going to get a little colder, but for the most part, it should be pretty good. Then as we head into our extended outlook, you can see Tuesday is going to be warm, Wednesday is going to be warm, but then as the week moves on, we're going to get kind of wet, and it should be fun, and it's going to be a gorgeous start to the week, but then as the week moves on, it could actually get kind of nasty. And with that, I am out of breath. Jeff Schaefer now joins us with all of our weekend sports coverage.